Hi, my name is David Susilo. I'm a THX ISF and CDS certified AV consultant, designer, calibrator for the past 2.5 decades. You can hire me by contacting me at info@davidsusilo.com, or at the very least, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And now, onto the video. Yay! I received my Sonos Play! It comes double boxed. For people like me who likes to keep the box, well, I have a very pristine box. Speaking about box, let's start with the unboxing. What a nice understated box. Seriously, I'm not joking, I really do like the box. For some reason, it gives me an Apple feel. You peel the sticker here, and there. And as you can hear in the background, it seems like my dog, Happy, is happy with the box. Just like any Sonos product, they all come wrapped in cloth, which is great for me because I always use the cloth as a speaker cover. So when I need to clean them, all I need to do is take off the dust cover and clean them and wash them in a washing machine. Set the washing machine into delicate, cold water. Also set it as quick wash. Let them tumble dry with no heat. If you never used Sonos before, there is a booklet called Let's Get Started, which is essentially an instruction manual. The speaker itself, just like all Sonos product that I've used since about 20 years ago, is very solid. There is a silicone handle at the back, a Bluetooth button, physical microphone switch, power button, and a USB-C input. If you're like me, I don't like using USB-C connector. There's a docking station, so you can just plop your unit onto the docking station, so you don't have to deal with plugging in and plugging out a USB-C cable. Power supply is not included. And although you can buy the power supply through Sonos, you can also use any power supply that is 45 watts or larger. At the top, there is volume down, volume up, and play/pause button. And most importantly, it's weatherproof. You can put it in the rain, dip it in water. And I also tried running it under running water and putting it under actual rain for about an hour. And it works flawlessly. Just like any other Sonos product, you have to download the Sonos app and register your Sonos unit to the app. And all you have to do is just follow the step-by-step installation procedure on your app. There is no need whatsoever to involve my friend instructions manual because it's really straightforward and that easy. Just like anything you buy lately, you have to check for the latest firmware update. And this is not just for Sonos. If you buy a receiver, you buy an earbuds, you buy a headphone, always check for firmware update when you just first set it up. There you go. See, I told you, there's a new firmware update. And a few moments later, the app will ask you whether you want to do a Trueplay, and of course the answer is yes. Because the Play has built-in microphone, it can do automatic Trueplay and not do manual Trueplay like a peasant that you and I are. However, if you still want to use manual Trueplay, keep watching. My method will create better imaging and better envelopment than the usual Trueplay method. I have tested my method in more than 20 installations, and my method always yields better result than the original Trueplay instructions. In the instructions of Trueplay, it tells you to put your phone in front of you like so. Don't do it that way. You should always calibrate from the point of where your ears are. So my suggestion is to push your head as back as possible and put the screen in front of you, just like this. I have tested this method in more than 20 Sonos home theater system, and I consistently get a better result, better envelopment in the sound reproduction. This also goes with the second part of the Trueplay where you have to walk around the room. Don't. You don't walk around when you're watching a movie. So for the second part of Trueplay, just move the phone up and down in the area where you are sitting, and not the entire room. Another nice thing about this speaker, you can create a stereo pair. This way, if you want to use the speakers for your office, you create a stereo pair and you're good to go. And in my case, I create a stereo pair and also pair them with my Sonos Sub Mini. I don't know whether I have mentioned this, but the speaker is waterproof, showerproof, as you can see here. There you go. So what's my verdict? Well, obviously I like it. If I don't like it, I will not even bother making the video. The sound quality, the build quality, they are very typical of Sonos. There's nothing to be complained about. Couple that with decent pricing, waterproof and ease of use. Not only I recommend these speakers, but I highly recommend you to buy these speakers. Right now. Just go buy. Right now.